That thing does not look comfortable. Is it even alive?
It's blinking.
It hasn't blinked once.
Let's watch. Aw, poor bird.
Yeah,
She blinked.
Let it go.
She's gonna let you go.
Look, it looks so scared.
Whoops, my bad. Have some food with it. Just kidding. Get out of my box. Flee! Flee! You may go now. Come look at the bird. Get over here. The bird. The bird. Dead in comfort. What's up? Yeah, I'm playing with the bucket. What of it? You're not gonna die in my front yard. Not happening, brother. What are you doing? Well, I guess you could chill there.
After the chicken attacks it.
Yeah, waiting for it. Battle Royale.